Alright guys, what we have on the menu today is vegetables and dumplings. I'm going to start by adding some oil to a hot pan. Throw in your onion, celery, garlic, and carrots.
Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe.
Cook the vegetable mixture until the onions are brown and translucent. Now add the seasoning. You need some black pepper, salt, parsley. I also add a vegetable bouillon cube. And here I'm going to add some flour. Now I'm going to mix this until all the flour covers the vegetables. About 5 minutes maybe. Now I'm going to add some water, throw in a bay leaf, add some sweet peas, and cover the pot for 20 minutes. Now we're going to make the dumplings. So you're going to need some flour, baking powder, sea salt, and vegan milk. Coconut cream actually works the best for this recipe, but I don't have that today, so I'm using almond milk. Mix the batter until the dough comes together. Okay, now what I do is I take the dough and I roll it into a ball the size of a nickel, and then I flatten it out to the size of a quarter. And I do that to all the dough.
Versace on the floor. Oh, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me, for me. Versace on the floor. My bad, that's my song.
Now all you have to do is take the dough and place it into the pot. So place the dumplings into the soup and let it cook for 20 more minutes. Make sure you continue to stir the soup so it doesn't stick, because the broth is going to start to thicken. So after your 20 minutes is up, your soup is ready to serve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget,